just have a small video, corporate video.
AMI Polymer has been at the forefront of Indian polymer manufacture for over 20 years and is highly recognized for setting the industry standard. AMI caters to industries as demanding and diverse as pharmaceutical, biotech, injectable, food processing, cosmetics, aerospace, and engineering. We are a specialized manufacturer of an extensive range of biopharmaceuticals-grade elastomer tubing, reinforced hoses, inflatable gaskets, and all types of extruded and molded components. Our world-class manufacturing facilities at Silvassa of 85,000 square feet floor space and having a strong presence globally, including USA marketing office. Highly skilled staff is our greatest asset, and teamwork underpins our success. The technical team in charge of production comprises qualified polymer technologists, engineers, technicians, and supervisors. AMI Polymer is unparalleled in its use of the highest quality raw material. Our manufacturing facility is the first of its kind in India, having dedicated clean room of class 10,000 with all modern equipment like laser control manufacturing system and fully automatic microwave continuous curing system. Advanced tool room with CNC VMC machining and in-house designing team. Ready stock of standard products to support customers with quick delivery system. Our research and development team has developed an extensive innovative product portfolio including 8,000 plus molded rubber products and 1,000 plus extruded products. We are the first Indian company to register critical silicon products under US FDA. Our products are proven to exceed critical industry requirements, delivering exceptional quality, low maintenance, and trusted performance. TUV certified integrated management system IMS to ISO 9001 QMS, ISO 14001 EMS, and OH SAS 18001, providing customers with complete confidence through world-class performance. In addition, we also have a NCF 51 certification on platinum-cured silicone resins and extractable and leachable studies on platinum-cured silicone tube from World Top Lab Toxicon. Our modern laboratory utilizes advanced equipment, including remote, profile projector, density tester, peristaltic pump, lab mill, and many more. We are awarded by ASSOCHAM as Top 50 SME Company 2016. Our interest lies in creating industry-leading products which our customers can depend on for years to come. The quality and reliability of our products have enabled us to make our company what it is today, a leader in the Indian polymer industry. AMI Polymer is continually pushing the boundaries of what the market can expect.
Thank you. So, this was a corporate video. Our plant is based in Silvassa near Mumbai. So I'll just quickly run through my presentation. It's a very short presentation. So basically I'll be talking on like polymer solutions for pharma industry. So like we provide everything, and as per the video you might have got some idea that we make everything for like rubber industries. So basically we make products from silicon, which like from silicon tubing, silicon reinforced hoses, TC gaskets and others like PTFE and FEP material also. So why tubing? Like fluid transfer system, if you take it, like it is based on mainly nowadays for injectables. I'll just talk upon. So mainly it is based for like piston pump as well as peristaltic pump applications. So what are the factors that depend, which are responsible for tubing selection? Tubing polymer selection is mainly like chemical compatibility as well as temperature, pump compatibility as well as compliances also. Then some of the factors that like what makes it like food grade, what makes it like pharma grade. So there is a difference between food grade and pharma grade. So pharma grade mainly we can say like it should be free of toxicity as well as it should compliance for USP class 88, class 87 as well as ISO 993-5. So these are some of the compliances which has been recommended by US FDA. Then these are some of the more factors which are responsible for polymer selection for making tubings. Like it should comply for the ICH Q3 guidelines as well as some of the heavy metal analysis as per the class 1, 2A, 2B and 3, as well as which are recommended for volatile, semi-volatile and non-volatile organic compounds. Then these are the type of available polymers over here, like silicon is there, Viton is there. Viton is nothing but FKM type rubber. Then we have PTFE, FEP as well as thermoplastic elastomers also, and santoprene based TP also. Then this is some of the comparison that we have made for like chemical compatibility, which is like what are the polymers which are compatible with what chemicals. Like if you see PTFE, PFN, FEP, it is like the most inert base. So any chemicals can go with this type of polymers. Then comes your Viton, which is mainly a rubber only. So it is mainly compatible with your N-heptane and all the other preservatives. Then comes the thermoplastic elastomers, which goes for alcohols, and then silicone for all water solutions like water containing solvents. Then these are the comparison that we have made based on extractable study results. So again, PTFE, FEP, they are got lowest least leachables, followed by Viton, which is again good chemical resistance, low leachables, again thermoplastics, and then silicone. So most of the pharma companies, particularly injectables as well as from vaccine based, they are going for silicone based products as a first preference. But since some of the new chemicals are coming every day in and day out, which are not compatible with silicone, so other like TPE as well as FEP, we have to develop. So we have all developed our tubing based on all these products. Then you can see the pump life compatibility. So the best compatibility goes with the silicone. Then comes your thermoplastic elastomer. Least is PTFE, FEP and PFA. And Viton has got very limited compatibility with, basically with pump. So this comparison we have made it only for like peristaltic pump life. Then these are the service temperature range, that what the polymers that can withstand the temperature. So PTFE again is the best because it has got a wide range of temperature compatibility. Again Viton, thermoplastic elastomer and silicone. So silicone is also considered as one of the robust rubber, like it goes from temperature range from -50 to around 230 degrees Celsius. Then why, like some of the major like what and all is required for mainly for ANDA filing. So these are like what certificates we provide. So it is like TAC BAC risk is provided. So we can give the certificate for the same TAC BAC, followed by some of the like gluten-free certificate also we provide, because this has been this has been recommended by US FDA. In addition to that, ROHS also, like, it stands for like restriction of hazardous substances. So mainly the European Union, they have restricted the use of specific heavy metals like PB, CD, like lead, cadmium, phthalate, and some of the other heavy metals also. Similarly, BPA-free certificates. This is European, again US FDA and European Union has ended its authorization of BPA for critical care products. Again, phthalate-free, the same goes with phthalate-free. But I would like to, along with melamine-free and residual. But see, all these phthalate-free and all these certificates, we get it only from vendors. So unless and until vendor specifies that our raw material doesn't contain these kind of materials, we don't go ahead. So we get the certification. Based on that, we can provide the certifications to the end user also. Apart from that, we get this study done from our third-party sources also. Then this is a short case study that we have made based on our experiences with the customer. Like some of the customers, some of our prominent customers, they are working on like microsphere-based molecule development. So there we have found, so N-heptene, if they are using in their process, N-heptene as well as DCM, which is commonly used in nowadays in many companies. So there they are facing the problem of compatibility with pump. So there silicon is not working. So we have one tubing called as EMA-Chemton, which is nothing but a white-on material. This is FKM rubber. So it is showing compatibility with microsphere-based molecules with compatibility to these chemicals. Similarly, some of the customers are using preservative-based molecules. So there also we are giving a solution of our EMA liner tubing, which is nothing but a thermoplastic elastomer. So again, they are facing a problem of compatibility with silicon. Similarly, we have got one more case study. This is one of the customer in Hyderabad only. They are using dicyclomine in their product. So they are also facing the problem of absorption. So none of the material currently it is showing compatibility with dicycloamine. So we have given again our FKM rubber, that is white-on tubing, EMA-Chemton. So it is showing a very good results with EMA-Chemton. So these are the some popular certifications that we provide based on our this has been recommended by US FDA. So in this slide, as we have seen, for food grade we have German BFR, then we have France as well as EP as per the European Pharmacopoeia, then we have FDA 21 CFR, then we have again FDA CFR 177 1550. Then extractable studies we get it done. We get it done from Toxicon Lab, which is based in USA. So they have a data of each of our batches of each of our lot of tubing. So based on that, we can provide certificates to the customer. Again, toxicity studies as per the customer, we can do it for as per the USP class 87 and 88, along with genotoxicity, hemocompatibility test, as well as rapid pyrogenase sensitization. In addition to this, we have done some miscellaneous studies, like I have mentioned in the earlier also, TSC, BSC, ROHS, we get it from like the vendor only. So unless and until the vendor specifies that our raw material doesn't contain this, these are the agents, so we go ahead with that polymer. And in addition to one more, as per the customer request, we can give this many tests also, like bacteria, BET test, USP 381, USP 661 for physicochemical test. Then we have sterility assurance and bacteriostatic and fungistatic. So all these certifications are available with us. So anytime if you want to have an audit also of a facility, you are all welcome. So thank you. This will I just end my presentation. Thank you.